This is Down by the Old Mill Stream, written by Tell Taylor in 1908. It's sung by just about everyone. I played this capoed up on the 2nd fret. Everything I say will be relative to the fret, so if I say I'm playing a C, it's going to look like this, even though this is truly a D chord. The melody looks like this for the first part, and I'm holding down the C note here. The melody notes are pretty much within the chord, so if you just strum up the guitar, you'll get your notes. The first 4 notes are in the C chord, and then it's C, F sharp diminished, G7, D with an open E, G, holding your D down here on the 2nd string, and then back to a C. And then you play the 4th string and the 3rd string, and then go back to the C chord. This F sharp diminished is like any diminished chord. It's this shape, which means you have on the 2nd fret on the 1st and 3rd string, and the 1st fret on the 2nd and 4th string. So it's like making a D7th, but also holding down the 1st fret on this 4th string. If you move that up 3, it's the same chord. Move it up 3 more, it's the same chord. So the first one looks like this. The second run, the melody is this. A C, an E minor, and an F. But I'm not playing the 6th string, I'm just playing 5, 4, and 3. So I'm making like an E chord here, just moved up 1. Single notes. And then a G. And often I just do a G with a D bass, so I'm skipping the 6th string, I'm hitting 5, 4, 3. And then back to the C chord. So these first 2 runs are repeats. And this time the melody goes. Which is the same as the first time. The chord structure is the same for the first three chords. And then you hit a G with an open E. And then you're going to do a D diminished and an A minor. This D diminished is like a D chord moved over one and up one. It's like this D diminished chord, but you're not hitting the first string, so you're just hitting second, third, and fourth, but it's a D shape just over and up. To give this D as your melody note, and then down to the A minor chord. And the way you accomplish that is with an A minor up to an A flat, to a C with an open E, and this is a D chord, but you're just holding down the third string on the second fret and hitting the 4 middle strings, and then a G, hitting your D as the melody. I'm going to play the second part all the way through now. This is normally a slow song, but you can pick up the speed and finger pick it if you like.